Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an order from Beebeecraft, and this is like the biggest order I've ever gotten from them. And you can see on the top here why. And this is an interesting thing, so I will leave links down below to all of the products here. But when you order things, it's really hard to see the size and scale of stuff online. And this is amazing. I had no idea that when I ordered a set of pom-pom trims that they were this big. But I always find that I'm in the market for a nice little trim to add to various projects. Let's just pull these out. Like, look at how much. I did not expect this much pom-pom trim. That is amazing. So what an amazing value that is. So I have so many different varieties of colors here. So of course my absolute favorites are going to be this set right here. I can definitely see getting a lot of use out of these three colors. This one is my favorite. If I could have ordered just like the blush pink, probably yeah, but I mean, it's so useful to have such a nice variety, so I'm not disappointed to get more than one different pink. So let's actually do it this way. I'm going to show you the three different pinks. I actually love this, that they have three different tones of pink. So that's that. And then they have the different tones of white, cream, and, well, that's lilac. Oh, that's really pretty. I thought that was gray at first, but this actually is the gray one. So there's just like the typical black, gray, ivory, and white. That's fun. Wow. What an amazing selection of pom-pom trims. So then here's the two, one lilac, one purple. We have a variety of greens. So many greens. Oh, wow. There's like, actually, this is almost more of a yellow. So there's like a forest kind of green, a lime green, a bluish green, and then a bright neon kind of green. That's those. Oh, and then there's, oh, that's the one that, oh no, that's it. That is the fifth one. There's 5 different shades of green. Look at them all there. That's amazing. So then we have the different shades of yellow. So like a mustard yellow, a bright yellow, and then this is more like a sunshine yellow. This is the most sort of yellowy kind of color that I would use. And then the other colors, there's so many. There's 2 different blues, dark and light. We have a red and a burgundy. Oh, actually there's a third blue. So this is a navy. So you have like a royal blue, a navy blue, and a light blue. And then this is brown, orange. So those are good fall colors. Let's look and see what this is. And I'll actually take it out and show you kind of what we're looking at here too. I'm not sure what to classify this as other than like a, it's almost like a pinkish beige brown, but you can just see how much you get here. There's so much in each bag, and there's so many bags. So I am set for life with pom-pom trims, and I really like these for adding on to the edge of a project. So I'm so happy to have this set. That's just amazing. Wow. Okay, and that's not all. So that's the first thing that I ordered. And then I also ordered, and this is another thing I'm not sure of the scale. I love sequins, and I can see I've got a big bag. So that is a jumbo bag. Now, The reason why I like this is because it's amazing to add this sort of iridescent, glittery sequin mix to any batch that you're creating, because I almost always have a touch of pink in every project that I put together. So I am going to make up some sequin mixes with this and show you how I intend to use that. And that's great for all of my like shaker pockets and things. And that's not all. I have 2 more things that I ordered. So I ordered, oh, and I'm really excited for these. I ordered these bubblegum beads in striped, and I love that I've got some matching pairs. I love the colors that they sent me. When you order this set of 10, it's a random mix of colors. So I got some pink, light blues, some lilac and purple, a little bit darker of a blue, the yellow, and the brown. So those are great for creating like beads and charms and stuff. And then these were such a cute find. I'm always on the lookout for cute, yummy looking things that could be attached to my various dangles and stuff. So I was happy when I found this box of cuteness. And I'll just open this up so you can take a look. These are like a clay bead. You can start to see them. There's quite a large amount and variety, and they have holes in them, so they're just a different texture when you are putting together. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. When you're putting together little dangles or adding a charm off the end of a little Beebeecraft project, it's so fun. Look at these cute ones. It's like a little roll with strawberry. Anyway, little ice creams, little peppermint patties in all my favorite kind of colors. Cupcakes, like just so cute. That is really, really fun. So yeah, so that is everything that I ordered from Beebeecraft. I will have a coupon down below for a discount, as well as a link to all of these items if you are interested in purchasing any of them yourself. If you haven't already liked or subscribed to my channel, I will be posting some creations that I make with these things that I've just unboxed, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.